Hey, Joe, thanks a lot for helping me out on this crown molding.
Oh, anytime, Danny. Although if I realized it was this much work, I may have taken a day and gone to the golf course.
Now, it's only a couple rooms. It won't take us long at all,
hopefully
especially
not.
with this nice rig you got here.
Yeah, you like that? All I did is I just took an extension ladder and set it on a couple of sawhorses so I can work at a nice, comfortable height. In fact, if we had only a couple of cuts to make, I probably would have just put this on the ground and just cut right off of there.
Well, it seems like a great setup. You've got the platform that I see is clamped down to hold the miter saw, and then, of course, this is a real important aspect of it.
Yeah, that's the blocking. When you have a long piece of board, you have to support it so you can get a nice, accurate cut on this end. In fact, that, you see, it's just a 2x4 screwed to a 1x4, and it's clamped so you can easily slide it depending on the length of the board.
Okay, boy, that's convenient.
Yeah, now depending on the saw you have, the different manufacturers make these saw tables at different heights, and depending on the thickness of the platform, that blocking will be different heights. And I'll show you a really easy way to determine how high that should be. Just take a nice flat piece of board and set it on the saw table and measure down to the top of the ladder. In this case, it's about 4 1/8 inches.
Okay, so that's perfect for the bridge that we have down here. Then.
Right. Now, the other great thing about using the extension ladder is if you're using really long, need to cut long pieces of molding, you can extend the ladder out. Now, if you go out beyond like 12 or 14 feet, you might want to add a third sawhorse in the middle.
Keep it from bouncing
Keep it from bouncing up and down. Yeah, but this works great, and it's a really nice, comfortable height and a very safe way to work.